What's up? It's Bill with Season Nature Water Gardens, and I'm in Grants Pass, Oregon. I'm at my buddy Blue's house, who owns Zenterra Water Gardens, and we're working on his recreation pond, swim pond, whatever you want to call it. Absolute beast of a pond. We got a lot of projects going on, but for this little one, we're going to be adding a 6,000 biofalls with about a 15 to 20 foot stream. So what this is going to do is we're going to shore up the hillside, we're going to add filtration, and obviously we're going to add awesome waterfalls. So I'm going to turn this around and show you what we got planned. These dogs making noise, but this is his recreation pond. So we got intake bay over there. Up there where Blue's standing is wetland, and there's a plunge pool over there. Then obviously we have this 50-foot long stream with cascading waterfalls. Got a tanning ledge. Really nice pond. A little discolored because of rain. We got to shore up this hillside. We got some water intrusion, erosion, dumping limestone into the pond. That's why it's a little discolored. So we're going to be remedying that. But this is where we're going to have our waterfall. So we're going to take apart this wall right here, and we're going to have falls leading up here to a 6,000 biofalls, and then we'll have plumbing going around towards the intake bay, and we'll have a 5 to 9 powering this. So first order of business is we're going to start to take apart this wall. All right, let's get to work. All right, so we got the liner and underlayment in, and we actually have our first set of falls built up. We built it on top of a layer of gravel so that a little bit easier to maneuver. We can set the height and whatnot. So the way that we build falls is very simple. We have basically three rocks. So 2 frame rocks and a weir stone. The weir stone is where the water goes over the stone, and it appears as if it's, you know, carved out the ground and exposed the rock to the elements. So we're gonna keep getting some more rocks, so we're gonna build out the rest of the pond. Now that we're going to go into, it's kind of like a short stream section, and we're going to have some rocks that are going to step over the stream and connect to a pathway that's going to go around the pond here. And so we just want to make sure that the steps are comfortable, that it makes sense. We're also going to build out some more wing walls, make sure that makes sense, make it look natural. Yeah, let's go. All right, that's it. We're all finished. Really appreciate you watching. Hit subscribe, hit that like button, share it with your friends. Leave us a comment. What was your favorite part? Really love to hear from you. Till the next one, peace out.